you, Johnny? What's going on? Oh no, the exit's covered in snow! Our view outside's blocked too. It's all black. Peter! We might be in trouble, you guys. Help!
All right, stand back.
Hey kids, you okay?
Roy!